Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Wisner. How are you doing, guys? So, today we got a small job. It's not a big one. Battery came. Unfortunately, this, I think, polymer battery. This one is 50, 30, 40. Somebody have seen the part 1 for this video knows that I've seen that the battery is dead and I had to order a new battery. So I couldn't find in the UK size 50, 30, 40, and I placed an order for 50, 30, 35. So it's 5 millimeters shorter. What can you do? But this one has 3.7 volt and 500 milliamp hours, and this one has 3.7 volts and 500 milliamp hours. In theory, just in theory, shouldn't be worse. The next one was 50, not 35, like here, 50, 30, 35, but it was bigger. So I didn't want to, make a damage here. So I've decided no. Okay, so now the safer way is always first to desolder it, and if it's possible, it's written something on the board like plus and minus polarity, and here it is. You've got a plus written here and a minus written here. So yay! You can maybe hopefully see it. Okay, it's blurry, but you can see that it's a black spot here, which is a plus, and here is a minus. So it is what it is. I'll try to. Sorry for the noises. Yes, let us switch. I'll pause and I'll connect my soldering iron. Okay, so we've got it. So I prefer to take it to about 300 degrees. It shouldn't need like 480, yes, it's no way it will need so much. I'm just curious why it's blurry. Like literally, I have to use my DSLR more often from what I see. Okay, anyways, that's the speaker, so that's the battery. And the battery shouldn't cause any problem with 300 degrees. It should be piece of cake. Okay, so that's it, that's done. I can lower it to 200 and can get rid of this battery, which is dead anyway. Oh, my knife.
Where is my knife?
Screwdriver. Okay, so let's try first with the screwdriver. Oh, the speaker is glued together. That was easy. I didn't expect that to be so easy. Easy. Okay, and let's get another here. Oh look, that's the Chinese quality. Look, this is a connector. Oh no, that's insulated. Sorry, I thought it's a connector, so I'm wrong. Sorry, excusez-moi. Okay, I'll leave it here because it's glued properly. So I'll leave it here and use my hot glue gun, which I haven't prepared, of course, to glue it even better. Yes, and then we can align this cable here. But we could solder the wire here. Okay, like this, and then the red one can go through here. My question is only if it's a good practice, because we're going through the speaker, but it's deeper. Okay, so it shouldn't matter, to be true. in that case, you know, in that case it's okay. Let us solder black one. Let's go back to the 310 will do. So sorry for the quality. Okay, I can put aside, open the second bit. Okay, and solder the red one. Look, I didn't use even flags, I didn't have to use anything, it's robust, see? I can lift for that. But before I'll glue it, because that will I do at the very end, I can try to use the cable. Where is the cable? Here is the cable. Cool, happy days. And I don't have something to plug in to charge. So let me take you back. Okay. Oh, my coffee, guys. It's still warm. So I don't know how much battery is inside. And oh look, it's booting up. So how much battery is? Okay, and if I'll disconnect, oh, I can hear buzzing noise from the speaker. Okay. Ooh, it did die. So what is the problem with a charging IC? I need to leave it on a charge, and if there will be no problem, that means it was only the battery, you see? But if I'll charge it and I'll see that there is a problem with holding, then that's mean it's a problem with a charging IC and not with a battery. You can switch off the soldering iron. You can switch to the 20 DC and observe how many volts we have. We've got 342. Okay, which is under charge. Now this is off. So that's 375. Okay, I'm curious why it's switching off immediately when it's on the battery. Is it a feature built in like that, or? Okay, so let's observe. It's 2, 3, okay, now it's 341. I'm holding 340. No SD card. Well, who would thought, yeah? It's written no SD card. 338, so it's dropping. It doesn't wanna. 338. Look, it's not charging. So it's a problem with a charging IC. That's curious. I'm quite curious why. Oh well, it is what it is. 336. So it's not going up, it's going, oh, now it went 338. It should go slowly up, to be true. If it won't go slowly up, that's mean it's a problem with a charge. Okay, so it's going down. No way. The circuit, which is for charging, can have problems. So it wasn't the battery after all, or the battery died as well. 335. Okay, how many volts is here? No, I need to grab it like that. Look, 398. It's 398 volts and it's doing the same thing. 333. That's definitely not a problem with the battery then. Okay, so what's the next stage in that case? In that case I need to open it, find the fault, and then record the video, because this is a waste of time. But you see the procedure. So we've replaced the battery and we see that the voltage is dropping rather than raising. If the voltage is still dropping rather than raising, yes, which is, then it's a problem with the charging. There is a charging issue. Now the question is, if the charger is passing on the current, and it does, because it's powering all automatically when we plug it in. So in that case, you see, we will disconnect the power and then it's off. You can touch, you can do whatever you want, no fun. You plug in this one and it's automatically powering on. In that case, you know, it can't be a fault of the charger here. It can be only a problem of the charging AC, which is getting warm probably, because this is coming here and then it's going somewhere here, and that's getting warm, but that's for the SD card, so that's either underneath it something, or maybe this one, who knows. I don't know what the charging IC they are using, so it's guessing, and I don't like to guess. Or maybe that's an audio amplifier for this speaker, and that's not, and I'm talking rubbish here. And then underneath is the charging IC. So I need to open it, guys, and test it. Yes, check it out. I'll record another part, but at least you see the procedure, how to approach it, how to find the fault, well, how to check if that's the fault, and hopefully you've learned something from it. If no, you're better. You can do it yourself, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video, and bye bye.